It's like fucking 2 a.m. and I was supposed to be doing my homework, but my sister's like, I got a laptop and it's really slow, and of course I just took my CCNA, so I'm certified, and so I've been messing around with laptops and desktops and whatever. Why is it slow, she says. That's why. That's why right there. It's a hard drive in a laptop, which means it's got spindles, so that takes longer to get your information. It's only 250 gigabytes. You know what's cool about this laptop that's running Vista on it? Must I remind you or tell you, but it's got 2 SATA hard drive spots, so back in the day, it could have been a good laptop. Why it only came with one 250 gigabyte is beyond me. Oh, and HP, every one of them's got a label. Hey, replace with HP spare. You can't forget it because it's everywhere. But the reason that this was so slow is because that is 2 gigabytes and that is 2 gigabytes. So they're only 4 gigabytes. Here's your Broadcom Wi-Fi. Yup. Battery, took that out. I'd have to take it apart to replace it, but the hinge might have fucked up permanently. We'll see. It looks almost like it is broken, but so then she gives me the laptop that she wants, running faster, and this motherfucker's only got 4 gigabytes in it too. What the hell are you gonna do with 4 gigabytes? That's why it's running slow. It's only got 4 gigabytes in it. My son's desktop has 16 in it. My laptop's got 8, and I'm about to upgrade it because I got too much schoolwork and shit on there, and it's starting to slow down a lot. So that tells you anything. But the fastest way to speed this up would be to buy at least another one of those to make it 8 gigs. And then this, HP, I will give you this, okay? This is cool. I wish they were all this easy, dude. It just slides in, boom. You release it after you take out the battery, which is just one slide away. So one slide, battery's out. One screw, release, push down, pull off, and you're in. This is like the laziest laptop I've ever seen anyone make, and it's awesome. I love it. I'm not complaining because it makes it so much easier for me. But this, what is this? I've never seen this before. You see that rubber grommet on the end of your hard drive, and then this one right here, and then this. Look at that. I wonder what other kind of connectors we can get to go into that. I've never seen one of these before. Never have I ever. I mean, I've only been doing this a little bit, but look at that. Look at that. That bitch pops in right there and goes to the hard drive. I wonder if we could put an M.2 in here, or at least a solid state drive. I know I could do a solid state drive with the SATA, so that'll speed it up too if we bought a different hard drive. I know you want the stuff on here, but that's what I bought this for. So don't worry. We get a new drive, pop that bitch in there, pop that new drive in here, and we'll transfer everything over. So yeah, gotta get to order. Again, HP, spare, replace with their spare. Always replace with their spare. Look at that. But yeah, super cool. I had to share that.